Welcome back, everyone. Hopefully you're all eager and excited for some more mathematics. We're going to continue looking at the grade 10 multiple choice contest. Yes, that's right, it's the 2000 Cayley paper. So we're up to question number 4. Fourth question on the contest, not question 4 in some future part. We are actually on the fourth question here. And what is it saying? A farmer has 7 cows, 8 sheep, and 6 goats. How many more goats should be bought so that half of her animals will be goats? Okay. So this seems like a very quick algebra question. Well, I say very quick. It might have been quite challenging for you, and I don't want to discourage you by saying, oh, it's obvious or it's quick. But it's question number 4, so hopefully it's somewhat easy. So we'll do it algebra way. Let G be the number of extra goats. Sounds like a very odd phrase indeed. So G is the number of extra goats. So the number of goats, well, she already has 6, and then she adds G more goats. Total number of animals is going to be, I think it's 7 sheep and 8 cows or something like that, 6 goats, and then G many extra goats. So 1/2 of her animals are goats. Then 1/2 is going to be the same as the number of goats over the number of animals. So that's 6 plus G over, well, what's this? 7 plus 8 plus 6, that's 21 plus G. So we want this statement to be true. We want 1/2 to be the same as 6 plus G over 21 plus G. So we set those equal to each other. Now we have to manipulate things with this unknown variable G sitting in here. And one of the tells that we've done something right is hopefully we'll get G as an actual whole number. No one wants to buy half a goat or anything like that. Okay. So 1/2 6 plus G over 21 plus G. Well, I can multiply on this side by the 21 plus G and multiply on this side by 2. Okay, just rearrange the fraction so that's a single equation. Now we're going to get some sort of linear expression in G. 21 plus G on the left-hand side, and then 2 times 6 is 12, plus 2 times G, that's 2G. So let's rearrange. We can take 21 minus 12, so we subtract 12 from both sides, and let's subtract G from both sides. And we eventually argue ourselves down to G is going to be 9, so she should get 9 extra goats. So fortunately we have a whole number of goats. That makes sense to us. Now let's see, is 9 a possible answer? Sorry, she had 7 cows and 8 sheep, not 7 sheep and 8 cows. That's how many more goats should be bought? 18, no. 15, no. Don't think it's 21. We think it's 9, so we're going to put D. And if you're ever in doubt about my answers, do remember that on the same website that you can click in the link to download copies of these contests, you can also get copies of their solutions. They might present things in a different way. Heck, I might be wrong and they might have the correct answer. So if you're doing the questions and your answer just isn't matching up with mine, maybe I've done something wrong. In which case, go look at their solutions because those are the definitive ones. And I don't look at those ones before I do these contests. I try and write them the same way you guys would. So that's question number 4. Let's take a look at question number 5, but we'll have to wait for the very next video.